Today we will discuss RC network, resistor capacitor, RC network, and we will calculate transfer function. Okay. Now VIT is the input, VOT is a output, R and C are the components. Okay. So first we will apply the input loop. VIT equals to the current which is flowing is I of t. So R multiply by I of t plus 1 by C integration of 0 to t I t dt. Okay. RIT plus 1 by C integration of 0 to t IT dt. This is KVL. Then apply Laplace transform. This LT is Laplace transform. Therefore VIS, this is small v, this VIS small v, this is small v, so capital will become capital V. VIS equals to R, VIS equals to R multiply by I of S plus 1 by C IS upon S. 0 to t IT dt, integration of 0 to t IT dt is IS upon S. 1 by C is constant. ठीक है. Then here VIS equals to IS common bracket में R plus 1 by CS. Okay. This is VIS. Now next VOS equals to output loop. Output is nothing but your this loop. This is output loop. 1 by C 0 to t output capacitor. 1 by C 0 to t is capacitor IT dt. Okay, 0 to t IT dt, that is 1 by C IS upon S. 1 by C IS upon S. 0 to t IT dt is written as IS upon S. This is VOS. Okay. Now transfer function is what? Output upon input. The output is what? Output equation 1 by C IS upon S is output. This one, this is the output. This equation is output equation, and input equation is this one. तो इनपुट इक्वेशन क्या है आपका? 1 by S ब्रैकेट में R plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by CS. This R plus 1 by CS, this is the bracket one. This whole output upon input. This is the transfer function. VOS upon VIS. Okay. Now taking the LCM of this equation. LCM is this. So it will become what? It will become IS upon CS the whole divided by IS bracket RCS plus 1 divided by CS bracket close. We are taking the LCM of this equation. RC multiply by दोनों को multiply करेंगे RCS और 1 है divided by CS. So it will become what? This will become CS RCS plus 1. तो this ICS कैसे? अब बचेगा 1. तो 1 upon RCS plus 1. तो this is your transfer function. 1 upon RCS plus 1. This is input VIS और ये output VOS. तो finally VOS is nothing but VIS equals to 1 upon RCS plus 1.